everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys an actual Target Ibotta haul. I feel like I haven't done a true Target Ibotta haul in forever. There are a lot of deals with Ibotta at Target, but just nothing that I really want to see or need to get or make a trip for just one item. So I'm pretty excited that this week is a pretty decent week. I got quite a few items. Not a lot, but I got quite a few items that I got at Target with the Ibotta app, so I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So, let's get it started. If you guys don't know this already, you guys can be on my Ibotta team. All you guys have to do is click the link below. Now I have two different channels, or I have two different links. I have Deals by DesignerJen, that's just where I show you guys deals if I see anything or anything, questions to ask you. And then there's a Facebook page. It's not my personal Facebook page, but it is another Facebook page that I have that you guys can friend request me. So you guys can friend request me. Just make sure your Ibotta app is linked to Facebook. And then once you guys see that I friend requested or friend approved you, then you guys will be on my team. If you can't see me right away, sometimes it takes a little bit for it to pop up there, but you should be able to see it. If you have any problems, questions, concerns, just message me. I do check your guys' profile because I've gotten a lot of weird people friend requesting me. I get probably 1 or 2 perverts a day. It's older men that are single, and it's just like, no. And I've actually had to block a couple people too. So just giving you guys a heads up, if I did deny you, I'm sorry. I just kind of check everybody's profile, and sometimes if it seems odd, I will decline it, but just send me a message saying, hey, you know, and I'll let you guys know what's going on. But an easy freebie that you guys can do this week, if you have those coupons, are the sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce. Now, these are $2.49. There's a 50% off deal off Cartwheel. So you guys can get these actually for, what, $1.25 if you guys wanted to do it that way. Otherwise, there are $2 off coupons. I've seen some areas have $1.50 off coupons. It just depends on what region you guys are in. But I had $2 off coupons, so I used those. So the coupons automatically adjust down. So you guys will get these free anyways. So love it. My husband loves hot sauce. He's not a huge fan of the sweet Baby Ray's because it's not so, he likes hot, spicy things. But he's okay with these, especially if they're free. These don't expire till 2020. Sweet, they don't expire till my birthday, so we got that. Good for that. So the next deal I got is the Kinder Eggs. Now my store was, I checked out the Valentine's Day stuff. The Valentine's Day stuff, I really don't see anything there. I'm trying to cut back on a lot of stuff. And you guys know it, but I mean, if it's 90% off, I'll most likely get it because there's some outfits that I saw that was kind of cute there. But we'll see when that happens. But they were putting the Easter stuff out, so none of the sale prices were out, but I did take a picture. But the Kinder Eggs are on sale right now for buy 3, get 1 free. So they're $1.49 and they're buy 3, get 1 free. Like I said, my store didn't have a sign for it. I even scanned the item and said it was not found. But they scanned at the register just fine. So I got 4 of them. My son had 1 of them while we left the store, and I'm like, whatever. So these were $1.49. Buy 3, get 1 free. So you guys would pay $4.47 for all 4 of them. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta for each of them. So that's times 4. So you guys will get these for $2.47 or just 62 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. Now these were a little bit cheaper at Walmart, but Walmart doesn't have the buy 3, get 1 free. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. So if you guys need some stocking stuffers or you're just really into Kinder Eggs, go for it. But I found these in the Easter aisle. I don't know where else they have these throughout the store. They might have some at the registers, but scan your items and make sure they work. So my son was super excited to get Kinder Eggs. The next deal that I think is an awesome deal that you guys definitely want to do is the Colgate mouthwash. Now, these are the big jugs. Like, these are the liter. Can I get a liter of mouthwash? You know, a liter cola, a liter mouthwash. So these were $4.99 for these. Sorry, I had to say $99. But $4.99 the price were these. I ended up printing 3 75-cent off coupons on Colgate.com. Now I had to use 2 different browsers to do that and 2 different emails. So I used one browser, and I've done this. I've showed you guys how I print multiple different coupons from different browsers. You just have to have different phone numbers, but with Colgate you just have to have different email addresses. So I ended up doing 2 coupons from one browser email address, and then I went to another browser and printed off one more. So I needed 3 75-cent off coupons from Colgate.com. You guys would pay $12 and now I get the hiccups. Ugh. You guys would pay $12.72 for the mouthwash, but then you guys can submit 3 $2 off rebates on Ibotta. So that's $6 that you guys will get back from buying 3 mouthwashes. That is a pretty good deal. As you guys can tell, I like the green ones better than the blue ones. I don't know why. I always just get them for myself. One of these is older than the other, but it doesn't expire till 2020. So they changed the label. So you guys will get $6 back, plus you guys will get a $5 gift card for buying 3 of them, which comes out to be $1.72 or 57 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I usually try to say 99 cents or less for mouthwash, but these are the big giant ones. So for 57 cents, that is a pretty good deal. I wish I could do this deal again, but those coupons literally only lets you use them for one browser and stuff, and I only have 2 browsers to use. But otherwise, that is a super sweet deal for 57 cents a piece. So I love it when I can get big bottles of mouthwash. Now, the next deal I got isn't the greatest deal, but I'm just going to get it just to get some Ibotta points on it. But I ended up getting the Suja Kombucha Peach Ginger. Now, they had the juice that might be a better deal for you guys. There might be a $1.10 Ibotta deal. My Ibotta had like 45 cents, so there's not worth getting it. But this one was a pretty okay deal. So these were just $2.99, nothing on sale, nothing special. So you guys would pay $2.99 for these, but then you guys can submit a $1.10 rebate on Ibotta. Now everybody has different rebates. I don't know why, but they do. So I got a $1.10 back for this. So I got this for $1.89. Not the greatest deal, but hey, we'll get it. And this was the only flavor they had. Like, they were sold out of all the other ones, but it's peach ginger. I'm not sure if my husband will really like it. If not, I will give it to my in-laws. But wanted to share that with you guys. And then the last deal I got is the Loreal Hair Dye. Now, the Superior one was $8.99 at my store, and the Excellence was $7.99. I have a friend who, he likes to dye his hair red. So I get him red hair dye. But these, you guys want to use a 5 off of 2 coupon that we got in last Sunday's paper. So not this past Sunday's, but last Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $11.98 for both of these. But then you guys will get a $2 rebate on Ibotta for this one. And you guys will get a $2 rebate on Ibotta for this one. And you guys will get a $5 gift card for buying 2 of them, making the final price just $2.98 or $1.49, which is an okay deal. I think like anything under $2 for a hair dye box is a pretty decent deal. So, and I actually dye my hair at home. A lot of people don't, a lot of people do. I do. I don't care. But had to share with you guys with that deal. So it comes out to be $1.49. Now please keep in mind your store might fluctuate a little bit with that. So, I am out of breath. My tailbone hurts. Nothing we can do about that, but I'm ready to share with you guys what I paid for everything. So my total came to $32.16. I know, crazy, but I ended up getting $13.10 back, which is a pretty good deal. A lot of it was because of the mouthwash and the hair dye, so there's that, and then, you know, the kombucha, and then the Kinder Eggs. And then I ended up getting $10 back with the gift card. So I got $10 for, or $5 for the hair dye, and then $5 for the Colgate. So if you add everything together, I got 12 items for $9.06. Not the greatest deal, but hey, I still think it's a pretty good deal. Sorry, there's like something in my mouth, my hair, I hate that. But $9.06, everything came out to be just 75 cents a piece, which could be a pretty good deal. You know, I mean, I like it, the freebie and the hot sauce. Now, those coupons only let you use 2 per transaction. Otherwise, I want to stock up on the hot sauce, even though I don't need that much, but it's still a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in that. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed my Target Ibotta haul. I'm finally excited to finally got some Ibotta deals with Target. Very rare that ever happens, but I'm pretty excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.